This wrinkly, phallic-looking thing is not a snake. And it's not a worm either. So what is it? The floppy snake is more scientifically known as A. triticchiana acelti and can grow up to a meter long. And while it has snake in its colloquial name, it's more closely related to salamanders and frogs. It lives in watery habitats in the Brazilian Amazonia and are an extremely rare type of caecilian, which is a limbless amphibian. Not only are they lacking limbs, these guys also have no lungs or eyesight. But they do have eyes, which are only visible as grayish, pinkish areas. And while they do have nostrils, they are totally sealed shut. Hang on a second. Without lungs or functioning nostrils, you may ask, how do these guys breathe? The answer is, we still don't know. But their capillaries sit very close to the skin, as in 2 to 3 cells between the blood and surface thin, which leads some scientists to think that they may breathe through their skin. Researchers point to their wrinkles as a possible way for floppy snakes to increase surface area in order to help with respiration. Another theory is that they might breathe through their cloaca, which is a posterior opening through which some animals digest, reproduce, or expel waste, which is like breathing through your butt. Floppy snakes are the largest known caecilians, measuring twice the size of the next largest known species. And they've got a long, fleshy dorsal fin that runs from near its head to the end of its body, which comes in handy as they generally live in turbulent, muddy waters. Floppy snakes have broad, flat heads, numerous teeth, and a skull that's full of muscles, not found in any other organism. Caecilians in general are usually predators or scavengers, feeding on small fish, worms, and other aquatic invertebrates. But when it comes to what specifically the floppy snake eats, it's not totally clear. Caecilians are also known to be burrowers, which explains why eyesight isn't a priority for the floppy snake, as they rely more on their sense of smell than sight. And while a lot of people may think these guys are a new discovery, they've actually been around for a while. They were described in the Caecilian Taxonomic Review in 1968, but that description was based on a single specimen from South America that was housed in the Vienna Museum. Their population status is unknown, but researchers are optimistic that more will be found. In the meantime, their appearance has earned them the nickname Manaconda for obvious reasons. If you had the chance, what would you name these guys?